Inside this smartphone are 62 microchips containing a total of 90 billion transistors. These microchips are incredibly powerful and the cornerstone of all technology. But how are billions of nanoscopic transistors manufactured into a microchip the size of a tiny ant? Well, all these microchips were manufactured in a semiconductor fabrication plant like this one. Inside it is a clean room, which spans the area of 8 football fields and is filled with hundreds of machines, ranging in size from that of a van to that of a city bus, and costing anywhere between a few million and $170 million. Within this microchip factory, silicon wafers travel from machine to machine and undergo around 1,000 processes over a 3-month period. And by the end of production, each silicon wafer will be covered in hundreds of CPU chips, each containing 26 billion transistors. When we zoom in, we can see the nanoscopic transistors at the bottom and over a dozen layers of wires above. This integrated circuit is then cut out from the wafer, tested, and packaged so that it can be installed into your desktop computer. In this video, we're going to explore the entire microchip manufacturing process and show you how billions of nanoscopic transistors and an impossibly complex 3D maze of wires are manufactured in one of the world's most technologically advanced microchip factories.